Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to Smash Those Small Pads. This is a collaboration with my friend Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube and Stampin' Cat on Instagram, and the links are down below. Each month we take a small pad or a partial or multiples out of our stash and we smash it. This one was a partial for me, and it was one I had done before and then found that I didn't really use the cards. Some of the papers in here were a stretch. There's a behind the scenes video, as long as the editing goes well. We don't know yet. I'll talk about that more in there, but it was For the Record too, Lori Whitlock, and I just love some of these little florals and patterns, but some of the other patterns, they just don't speak to me. I am going to put this in a December daily or junk journaling section. I think this will make an adorable pocket with my lacy punch on it. Then this paper has some sewing theme, so I got out a set of stamps that has thanks so much and stitch die here. Really simple but cute. My mom will use these. My quilter friends will use them. Thanks so much. And then I have a stamp down below and layers of paper. I'm not sure if you can tell that because I didn't set it off with black. Thanks so much again. A scrap and two other scraps. And then oval dies layered up. This one, I had a ribbon on it. I didn't love it, so I didn't put the ribbon on any others. It wasn't exactly the perfect color or style, a little shiny for this, but again, a little different. Thanks so much. I'm bringing a textile in on a sewing pun card. Thank you. This might be my favorite. I don't know. This was a sticker, and I'll talk about that in the behind the scenes video. And thank you on like the tiniest scrap I could make work. They all have something cute on the inside. On my counter, I had some of these Winnie the Pooh sentiments stamped out, and I just love how these cards turned out. And I will use these because I'm a big Winnie the Pooh fan, and I would send this to someone. And I love this little tiny dainty floral and the orange polka dots with this. Hello, it was a scrap card. I had the piece that worked with the oval die, and the sentiment stamp was about the right size. Not bad for a scrap card. Not bad layout at all. A couple of these could use some embellishments, maybe like some enamel dots, 3 vertical right here, or maybe this one has a little too much white space here and could use, or plain, could use like a white flower, or I don't know, a honey pot. I don't think I have a honey pot. With deepest sympathy. Some of these papers, last time they sat in my stash, they just weren't energetic enough for a lot of cards. I decided to use these for calm cards. So I have With Deepest Sympathy, Keeping You in Thoughts and Prayers. Keeping You in Thoughts and Prayers. Again, it's just a different shape. Depends on what you do with your stamped out sentiments. I have these 2 cards that were set aside for a minute and I missed them, and I think this one's just a cutie with a little Martha Stewart border punch, Keeping You in Thoughts and Prayers, and then Thanks So Much, using up some scraps. These are my scraps. I might not hole punch, but circle or die cut that out. I do not like that. I'm not into geometric, and that's a weird yellow. This isn't a bad yellow, but obviously geometric. I don't like that one at all. These are cute, but I mean, there's just not much here to work with. And these ones that have the glue on them, the edge is destroyed. I like this one. I'll put that in my little scrap box for sure. This one I'll trim down and put. This one, then we'll use part of this. These are probably getting out of my life. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out my friends on this collaboration. And if you have old 6x6 pads in your stash that you think you could have fun with, pull one out and smash it. Take great care of yourselves. I'll be back before Smash Our Stash on the 7th. I'll try and get this behind the scenes video edited for you and rolled out before then. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.